Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you easily shut down your computer with a single click. I know in our busy life it's really hard to shut down your computer by going there, click here, click shut down. It's really hard, I know. So to make our life easy, I'll show you a simple trick. How can you shut down your computer with a single click? So to do that, right click on your desktop, click on new and then shortcut. Here you need to write shutdown.exe, then space slash s space slash f space slash t, again space 00. So you can see it here, shutdown.exe slash s space slash f space slash t space 00. After that, click on next. Keep this name shutdown, click on finish. So now we just finished making button shutdown. If you click here, the computer will shut down, but to make the button nice and professional, click on right click on the button, click properties, click change icon. Here you'll see so many icons, so you can choose whatever you like, but for shutdown button, this is the icon you can choose. Click OK. That's done. If you just click on here, the computer will shut down. I can do that and to show you, otherwise the video will be shut down as well. So thanks for watching my video. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.